Hi, my name is Jessica Chuku. I'm a Salesforce admin and I help people with various aspects of Salesforce. So today we're going to be looking at what Salesforce is, its benefits, its features, objects in Salesforce, and Salesforce mobility. Basically, that's what we're going to be looking at. Stay with me. You can see table of content. So let's head right into the content. So what is Salesforce? Salesforce is a cloud-based customer relationship management platform. Before we continue, let's know what a customer relationship management platform is. Customer relationship management is a strategy which companies use to administer its interactions with customers. It allows companies manage its customer relationship and interaction using a single tool. So that helps to provide better customer experience and even improve the business outcome generally. So Salesforce is one of those CRM tools, but the beautiful part of Salesforce is cloud-based. That makes it more secured and able to take up a lot of space because the data is being stored in the cloud. So let's continue. So it's a CRM platform that offers a wide range of tools and features to help organizations manage their relationships and interactions with customers, prospects, and partners. Salesforce is essential because it provides a centralized hub for customer data, ensures that sales team have a 360-degree view of customer interaction, preferences, and history. Salesforce facilitates collaboration among team members by providing a shared platform for communication, document sharing, and real-life updates on customer interaction. Now, Salesforce allows businesses to use cloud technology to better connect with customers. It helps to keep track, as we have read, of your customers, their needs, their experiences. It's a beautiful platform that was newly innovated to step up CRM game. And trust me, Salesforce is all-encompassing. It has customer 360. It's all-encompassing. So we have various products in Salesforce. We have Salesforce Cloud, Sales Cloud. We have Marketing Cloud. We have Service Cloud. We have Experience Cloud. We have Community Cloud, Analytics Cloud, App Cloud, and so many others. But for the sake of this training, we'll be looking at Sales Cloud because that is the part that concerns our business process. So Sales Cloud is a component of the Salesforce platform that is specifically designed to streamline and enhance sales processes. It offers a suite of features and tools to help sales teams manage leads, opportunities, and customer relationships more effectively. Now, the Salesforce Sales Cloud, provides everything you need to manage a business, from leads, and we'll look at what leads are, to accounts, to opportunities, to contacts, to tasks, everything you need to manage your customers. You have it on the Sales Cloud. You don't need to go elsewhere. That's the beautiful part of Salesforce. You don't need to have a tab, have a notepad, have a desktop. You're running around various platforms just to organize your customer information. It gives you everything in this singular platform. And we're going to be looking at it when we demo, when we have our hands-on experience, our hands-on here. So it helps. The Salesforce Sales Cloud helps in generating the best deals. It helps to manage opportunities through sales pipelines. It helps to cultivate relationships with existing accounts. And the Sales Cloud is specifically designed for sales teams. It helps them to connect with customers in a whole new way. It puts all the customer information, as I said earlier, in one place and manages every interaction from the first touch with the customer, the first encounter with the customer, to the closing of the deal with the customer. Sales Cloud covers for everything. So we're going to be looking at the objects in Sales Cloud. We have leads. What is a lead? A lead is basically a customer who might be interested in your product or service. So, as I said earlier, the sales team, they work with leads and qualify their prospects with the goal of creating opportunity. Once a lead is qualified, it's converted into an account, contact, and opportunity. So whenever someone reaches out to you and says, hey, I like your product, how can I get it? How can I get in contact with this product? Can I have more information about this product? Anytime a prospective customer, in fact, a person reaches out to you concerning your product, via whichever platform, whether you advertise and the person reached out through the adverts, you did an ad, or through your website or your social media platforms, that person is a prospective lead. That person is a lead. The sales team know what I'm talking about. So now the lead object in Salesforce, it helps you track potential customers. I'm going to show you how to create leads in the Salesforce org. We're going to get there. So it helps you track potential customers that might be interested in your products or services. Now, as I said, once a lead, it goes through different stages, or like nurturing the leads, talking to them and all. So when a lead is fully converted, when the customer says, okay, I'm interested, I want to make a purchase, that is a qualified lead, then you convert. And when a lead is converted, it branches out, it brings out 3 branches. It creates an account, it creates an opportunity, and it creates a contact for that particular customer. Practical example of what I'm saying, so you can have a better view. You can have a better view of what I'm saying. Please give me some seconds. Okay, so I wanted to open my org. You're going to hear me use the word, well, it's not a word, is it? You're going to hear me use org. Whenever you hear org, it's a short form for organization. So I'm going to use org or company interchangeably. So this is my Salesforce org. I'm an admin, so some things might not appear the way yours is going to appear. So when you register into Salesforce, you're going to be given 90 days free trial. You're going to register with your name, your email, your company name. Yeah, you're going to be asked some information. You fill it in, and you can start using Salesforce. It's very simple, very, very easy to navigate. So we have, I hope you can see my cursor. I'm going to be explaining, by the way, this is a console. So I'm going to be explaining what you're seeing right now. So this is my Salesforce org. Where my cursor is, there's 9 beautiful dots. When I go around them, they bring up colors here. That is called an app launcher. That is the Salesforce app launcher. So when you click on it, it is going to, when you click on it, it's going to bring up apps. Then that's fuel, so it doesn't really, it's not what we're looking at right now. Or you can see apps you might want to use. But for the sake of this video, we're not going to be going into that. You can see sales. In case it's not on the sales app, you can just click on sales. Then it's going to bring up this same console with the various objects on it. Now these objects are movable. You can just pick and drop. Okay, see? You can pick, drop to change, pick, drop to change. Yes. It's highly customizable. Like, you can do anything you want without aid, without the need of calling the IT group to do anything for you. You can go ahead and do anything you want to do, except for some more technical tasks. You have to reach out to your system administrator, pardon me, or your Salesforce admin. So this is the home. This is the lead. So when you click on leads, let's change this to all open leads. These are my leads. You can see the titles that they have. So if I hadn't any lead, I could just create a new one. Maybe I have a new lead now. I can create, or I can import. Maybe I have a CSV, like an Excel sheet of leads. I can import them, name them the same headings, and import them into Salesforce. Let me show that to you. If I don't want to impute them one by one manually, I can import them. I can import them. You see this, I call it progress tab up here. So when you start your import, it will be sharing you until you're done. So we're importing, what kind of data are you importing? We're importing leads. You can see leads. Then they're asking you, is it new record? Are you trying to update existing records, or are you trying to add new and update existing record? For now, we don't even have. So we're doing new. So when you do that, it's going to ask you some questions. So you can just read through. If you're assigning the leads, if you're matching it by name, email, then you can drag the file here, or you can choose CSV and choose the file you want to import. For now, I don't have any file, any Excel sheet for leads on my computer, but look above here. You see it's saying getting closer. So when you choose the file and you click on next, it will show you, okay, this is where you are. Edit mapping. Edit mapping, you can map. Let me just play around this. So I don't have, okay, this is it's a report of a LinkedIn post engagement. It's not really, how does it really? So it is not that kind of file that we need. So see what it's going to say, because it doesn't have the same heading. Yes, unmapped. Now look at what we have, just 3 columns. If I had a proper file that I wanted to upload here, file of the detail of leads, when you see unmapped and you see this, you can, it means this is what you have in Salesforce and this is what you have in your CSV. They need to rhyme, so you can continue with the imports. You can see up here it says almost done. So now to map this, it's saying on map, it's showing red. To map this, you go to map, edit, then you map it. You find, for example, the reports on that latest LinkedIn. If it was a proper file and maybe that column says names, first name, I'm going to click on first name. The next column says last name, I'll click on last name. The next column says company name, I'll click on company name. The next one might say, okay, mobile number or phone number, I'll click on that, and click on next. So you can see the error message is showing me you need to map the required field company, you need to map the required field last name, you need to map the last name to another editable field, lead field. So I'm canceling this. This is showing me error because I don't have any file. Okay, so we're going to be leaving the data import wizard. That's what it's called. So let's create new. We have other options. We have intelligence view, we have add campaign, change status. When you click this, you can change owner of the lead. You can send list email. Here you can see setting new. Then the view, how you want to view it. You can choose table, you can choose Kanban. These are different ways to view your leads. You can see this open not contacted. If I had leads I have not contacted, they're going to be here. If I have leads I'm working on, they're going to be here. Then if I have closed leads but not yet converted, I've not converted them, but I've started working on them, they've responded, they're interested, it's now closed, not converted yet. So it keeps going on and on. If I had other leads, and around at different stages, you're going to see the stages above here. So I'm changing it. You can also do split view. I'm changing it to table. You can refresh, you can edit the list, and so on and so forth. You can search. If I had a lot, I can search. I'm changing the view back to all open. So Salesforce is really very easy to navigate. They made the developers have made it very easy, and your Salesforce admin that customized this platform, this Salesforce org, according to your company's business process, also made it very easy so that you can easily navigate, so you don't get stressed out while trying to go around the org. If you just take your time and go around the org, you're going to love it. You're going to get used to the environment and get going with your tasks and what you have to do. So we're creating a new lead. Salutation, doctor. Let's say we have Dr. First name, Dr. Charles. Last name, Charles John. His company name, okay, let's use Blue Rangers. Title, you can leave that, you can try to fill it in. Then lead source, I wanted us to come here. Now, lead source is the way the person reached out to you. via web, the phone inquiry? Is it partner referral? Your partner might have referred the person to you. Is it purchase list and others? So let's say this person reached out to us via web. Then the industry, since it's doctor, let's do healthcare. Yeah. So his annual revenue, we're going to be, let's do $3 billion. The currency is in dollars. You can change it to whichever currency. Your Salesforce admin would have customized the currencies to show according to your country or the currency used within the region where you work. So you can decide to color it. Let me just give it. You can decide to put region. So this is the EMEA. Then you can impute this address, city, add what you want to add, phone, mobile number. Let's just do this. Let's just do this. 561. Okay, sorry. Okay. So you can put the email address, websites of the lead, as if you have all those information. Sometimes you might not have all those information, so that is understandable. You can choose the rating, then the lead status. Open, not contacted, working, contacted, closed, converted, closed, not contacted. So for now it's open, not contacted. We've not contacted this lead at all, so we can save. You can save anew, and you can just save. So we save. That's created. We're going to stop for now. We'll continue later.